The IPMI protocol enables remote administration, monitoring, and management of server parameters through the management controller. To configure connection to IPMI, select Settings from the Actions menu located in the Server Summary view. The setup form has several tabs. In this case, you have to choose IPMI Settings. The form consists of several fields requiring you to specify whether IPMI for a given server is enabled, as well as provide the IP address of the IPMI controller, IPMI username and password, the level of privileges, and the IPMI protocol version. Additionally, the administrator can define the IPMI driver, that is the controller used during the connection. By default, it'll be a driver that uses the IPMI tool command. The IPMI board type field shall specify the manufacturer of the server. Based on this field, EasyDCIM downloads the corresponding applet from the Java console for remote configuration of the server. The default value of the IPMI port, or UDP field, is 623, while the IPMI remote console port field indicates an additional port on which the remote console operates. Once the form has been filled out and changes saved, you can now test the typed-in data. To do so, press the Test IPMI Connection button, and the system will check the validity of the IPMI connection. Once IPMI has been configured correctly, you can control the status of your device using the power on, restart, and shutdown options. By default, IPMI takes priority in connecting the device to a PDU outlet. Thanks to this, each of the mentioned actions is first performed using IPMI, and in case of any failure, the system will automatically try to use another method of power control. For more information on power management, please watch the Power Control Management video.